Hi guys, welcome to Scimath Academy. In today's lesson, we are gonna focus on percentage. So a percentage as a way to express a ratio or a fraction as a portion of 100. It is represented by this symbol, which means per hundred or out of every 100. For example, 50%, which means 50 out of 100. And when we divide the numerator and the denominator by 10, we get 5 out of 10. Or when we divide the numerator and denominator by 5, we get 1 out of 2. 50% means 50 out of 100, or 5 out of 10, or 1 out of 2. 25% means 25 out of 100, or 5 out of 20, or 1 out of 4. So 25% is equal to 50 out of 100, or 5 out of 20, or 1 out of 4. 10% is equal to 10 out of 100, or 5 out of 50, or 1 out of 10. So 10% is equal to 1 out of 10. 100% is equal to 100 divided by 100, which is equal to 1. So 100% is equal to 1. 20% is equal to 20 out of 100, which is equal to 1 out of 5. So 20% is equal to 1 out of 5. Now we are going to discuss how to calculate the percentage of a value in another value. Formula for finding the percentage of any value is percentage of any value is equal to value divided by total value multiplied by 100%. For example, what is the percentage of 80 pass students out of 120 students? So the value for which we have to find the percentage is 80. So we will divide 80 by 120 because the value for which we have to find the percentage is 80 and the total value is 120. And we have to multiply this fraction by 100% to get the percentage. So 80 divided by 120 multiplied by 100%. So we will cancel out this 0 with this 0, and we can get that 80 out of 20 is multiplied by 10%. 6 times 2 as 12 and 2 times 5 as 10. So we will cancel this 2 with 2. 2 times 3 as 6 and 2 times 40 as 80. So we will cancel the 2 with this 2, and we will get the answer as 40 multiplied by 5 over 3, right? Divided by 3. So it is equal to percent, and which is equal to 66.66%. Percentage of pass student, which are 80 out of 120, as equal to 66.66%. In this example, we have to find the percentage of 10 out of 80. So 10 out of 80 is equal to 10 out of 80. Percentage of 10 out of 80 is equal to 10 divided by 80 multiplied by 100%. So we will cancel out the 0 with this 0, and we will get 10 times 10% divided by 8, which is equal to 100% divided by 8, which is equal to 12.5%. So the percentage of 10 out of 80 is equal to 12.5%. And we have to calculate the percentage of 2 out of 5. What is the percentage of 2 out of 5? So 2 out of 5 can be written as 2 over 5. We have to find the percentage. So percentage of 2 out of 5 is equal to 2 over 5 multiplied by 100%, which is equal to 2 over 5 multiplied by 100%. 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 20 as 100, which is equal to 2 times 20%, again which is equal to 40%. Percentage of 2 out of 5 is equal to 40%. What is the percentage of 8 out of 40? So 8 out of 40 is equal to 8 out of 40 multiplied by 100%. So 8 over 40 multiplied by 100% is equal to, we have to cancel this 0 with this 0, and 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 8, right? So 2 times 10% is equal to 20%. So 8 out of 40 is equal to 20%, and the percentage of 8 over 40 is equal to 20%. Or we can say that 8 over 40 is equal to 20%. Now dear viewer, pause the video and try to convert this fraction into percentage. Write the answer in the comment section. Tom got 750 marks out of 900. What is the percentage? So 750 divided by 900 is equal to 750 divided by 900 multiplied by 100%. So we will cancel out the 0 with zeros and we get 750 divided by 9 multiplied by percent symbol, 1% symbol, right? So we can divide 750 by 9. So 750 divided by 9. 9 times 8 is 72. Subtract 72 from 75. The remainder is 3. Bring down the 0 near 3 to make it 30. 9 times 3 is 27. Subtract 27 from 30. The remainder is 3. Again, 3 is less than 9. So put a decimal point in the dividend and put a 0 after the decimal point. Carry the decimal point to the quotient and bring down the 0 near 3 to make it 30. Again, 9 times 3 is 27. Subtract 27 from 30. The remainder is again 3. So again put 0 in the dividend and bring down it near 3 to make it 30. Again, 9 times 3 is 27. 27 from 30. The remainder is 3. Our answer is 83.33%. So if Tom got 750 marks out of 900, his percentage will be equal to 83.33%. Now we are going to calculate the percentage part of a whole. For example, what is the 30% of 30? So 30% of 30 is equal to 30 divided by 100 and multiplied by 30. So we will cancel the 0 with 0 and this 0 with this 0, which is equal to 3 times 3 divided by 1, which is equal to 3 times 3 is 9. And we can write 9 over 1, which is equal to 9. So 30% of 30 is equal to 9. What is the 8% of 25? So 8% of 25 is equal to 8 over 100 multiplied by 25. So 8 over 100 multiplied by 25 is equal to 25 times 1 is 25 and 25 times 4 is 100, which is equal to 8 over 4 or 2. So 8% of 25 is equal to 2. So dear viewers, pause the video and try to find the 50% of 220 and write the answer in the comment section. What is the 2.5% of 32? So 2.5 divided by 100 multiplied by 32 is equal to 2.5 multiplied by 32 divided by 100. So 4 times 25 is 100 and 4 times 8 is 32. So we will cancel the 4 with 4 and write 2.5 multiplied by 8 divided by 25. So we can write this expression as 25 over 10 multiplied by 8 over 25. So we will cancel that 25 with 25, which is equal to 8 over 10. So we can write 8 over 10 as 0.8. 2.5% of 32 is equal to 0.8.